So 4EVERLAND airdrop, they're rising $3.5 million. And here is interesting thing is, this airdrop is, totally easy, just has their Glax task. So I will show you step by step how you can see this, how you can participate properly, everything in A to J. Okay, so first, what you need to do, come into my Telegram in order to getting this link. And here is I already put my Glax, Glax task and that provided. So click on that Glax, and that Glax will bring you inside of here. Okay, so here is verification OKX wallet user. Go there, follow OKX. So here is verification. So here is if you want to read each of them instructions, here everything has put together. Connect with one OKX wallet address, download, or if you don't have, and create or input an address to it and connect to Glax. Follow OKX web3. You can do both of. I'm showing you. You can do it yourself. You can follow. You can do it. You can do join. You can do it. Climb land to explore forever land. You can do it. Visit the forever chart. You can do it. Read the tweet. Everything I showed you, just do and come in, and I will definitely going to help you. So this is the video, and if you do each of these tasks properly, you can be eligible among 10k people. Okay, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.